What up, custom gang? You know, it's your boy back with another one, man. We out here on the Impala, as you can see. Right there. Finna get this thing washed up, man, so we can put it in the booth. Gonna get this front cap sprayed. So let's get to it. Alright, alright, alright. As you can see, I got that thing all cleaned up. Yeah. Let's check out the insides on this thing. Ooh, wee. You see it. Yes, sir. Nice. Real nice on the inside, man. Real nice. Ooh, see that seat with that gangster lean in it? You see it? Yeah, man. This is gonna turn out pretty nice, though. It's gonna make somebody a damn good vehicle, boy. As you can see it. Power washed under the hood a little bit. Got it looking okay. Yeah. I need to put some air in that tire back there. But yeah, came out pretty good, man. Got some eBay headlights, man. See what happened? Oh boy, I tell you, I'll probably take them off and try to seal them up real good myself. Yeah, that's those eBay lights, man. But anyway, don't she look pretty? Yeah. Alright, nothing else to do now but get her pulled in, get her all taped up. Let's do it. All right, now we got the Impala pool in the shop. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get it raised up, man, so we get this thing all taped up. Let's do it. All right, as you can see, I got all four corners lifted up. Yeah. Trying to get this thing taped up, man. Finish sanding, all the little sanding I gotta do, a little taping. I need to pull this front, need to pull that off. The tag bracket. And I think that's all I'm gonna pull off. The rest of this stuff I'm just gonna tape up, man. Yeah, I'm not de-trimming. Like the handle, all that stuff is gonna stay in there because I'm gonna refinish that. The mirror, that can stay in there. I'm just gonna tape all that up. Sand my primer down. Go over the fender. All the parts that I already sanded, I'm gonna go back over them. You know, because it's been a while since I did it. Like I did it like early last year sometime. 2019. Yeah, but like I said, man, this is gonna make somebody a great car, man. Trying to get all these bills finished up so I can have the guy come inspect them. Because, you know, this was a total, that Honda was a total, and that Benz was a total. And I got a Toyota Camry over there in the corner. It's a total also. I got to finish it up. But yeah, man, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And holla at your boy. Peace.